Looking for a kitchen powerhouse that can handle every task without breaking a sweat? Imagine crushing ice, blending smoothies, and prepping dough all with one machine that delivers 1200 watts of pure performance power. This versatile blender and food processor combo is designed to make your cooking and drink making effortless and efficient. I've been using this machine almost daily, and it's quickly become my go-to for everything from morning shakes to homemade soups. The stacked blade assembly tears through frozen ingredients and ice like they're nothing, while the dough blade kneads pizza or bread dough with ease. Plus, the 5-cup precision processor bowl adds serious versatility, chopping and mixing ingredients to perfection. What stands out is the Auto IQ technology. It takes the guesswork out of blending by using intelligent timed pulsing and blending patterns, so you get consistent results every time without fiddling with settings. Beyond power and precision, this system is built for convenience. Blend directly in the 18-ounce single-serve cup, snap on the spout lid, and you're ready to take your drink on the go. Cleanup is a breeze too. All BPA-free parts are dishwasher safe, saving you time after every use. The package even includes a 15-recipe inspiration guide, so you can explore new smoothies, frozen drinks, and meals with confidence. If you want a reliable, multi-functional kitchen tool that adapts to your lifestyle, this 1200-watt blender and food processor combo is worth a look. It's not just about power, it's about what you get: versatility, convenience, and consistent results that make everyday meal prep easier. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game.